Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're going to try and settle something pretty crucial if you're managing your own media streams. Which IPTV player actually gives you the best experience? We're going deep on the big three, TiviMate, IPTV Smarters Pro, and OTT Navigator, the mission. Figure out which one you should actually be using.
Yeah, and let's get one thing straight right off the bat, a really essential point. These apps, they're just the players.
Right.
Think of them like the Netflix app or the Disney Plus app on your TV. They don't come with any shows or channels. You have to bring your own content.
Yeah.
That means your own subscription, your own M3U playlist.
Yeah.
The list of channels from your IPTV provider.
Right. Good clarification. Okay, so first, hurdle people face, setup, getting it running. Our sources seemed pretty clear on who wins the Ease of Use award here.
Well, absolutely. That's IPTV Smarters Pro, hands down. It's built for speed and simplicity. You basically just install it, pop in your login details from your provider, and boom, you're watching TV in like minutes. And crucially, it works the same way everywhere. Phone, TV, tablet, no relearning needed. That's a big plus.
Okay, simple. And then there's the other end of the spectrum, OTT Navigator. It sounds complicated.
Exactly. OTT Navigator is definitely not for everyone. It's really aimed at the power user. If you're the kind of person who genuinely enjoys spending half an hour tweaking filters, sorting archives, customizing fonts, then yeah, it's fantastic. But if you just want to find your channel and watch something quickly, all those options can actually be kind of frustrating based on what the sources say.
Okay, that leads us right into the cost, the money question. If Smarters Pro is so easy and it's free, why are people paying, what is it, $12 a year for TiviMate?
Well, that's the key trade-off, isn't it? Smartest Pro is mostly free. The free version has ads, but all the core features are there. TiviMate, though, especially TiviMate Premium, it offers a much more, let's say, polished experience. But, and this is important, it's really optimized just for Android TV systems. People pay that $12 a year or the $30, $40 lifetime fee because things like the EPG, the program guide, just works better. It's faster, smoother, and features like multi-screen or recording feel more integrated, more native to the Android TV platform. So Smarters is the universal easy option. TiviMate is the premium Android-focused one.
Got it. So quality of life on Android TV costs a bit. What about OTT Navigator on price?
OTT Navigator is also free. No subscription needed there either. But, free sometimes comes with caveats. The sources mentioned that some of the more advanced features, things like really detailed filtering or using external video players, they can sometimes feel a bit unfinished, maybe slightly buggy compared to TiviMate's polish.
Okay, so we've got the polished paid Android TiviMate and the simple free universal Smarters Pro. But you mentioned device support earlier. Smarters Pro destroys the competition there. That sounds like the deciding factor for a lot of listeners.
It often is, absolutely. This is where Smartest Pro really pulls ahead for anyone not exclusively in the Android ecosystem. See, TiviMate and OTT Navigator, they're strictly Android only. So Fire Sticks, Android TV boxes, Android phones, tablets, fine. But if you have an iPhone, an iPad, a Windows PC, a Mac, or even, a standard Samsung or LG Smart TV that doesn't run Android TV, then TiviMate and OTT just won't work. Smartest Pro runs on pretty much all of those. So yeah, if you need that one app to work consistently across a whole mix of different gadgets in your house, Smartest Pro is basically the only game in town.
Right. That makes the choice much clearer depending on someone's setup. So let's synthesize this. Final recommendations for someone trying to choose right now.
Okay, if your main goals are keep it free, make sure it works on all your devices, Apple, Android, Windows, whatever, and you just want simple setup, then IPTV Smarters Pro is your go-to.
Okay. And if you're only using Android devices, maybe a Fire Stick or an Android TV, and you don't mind paying that $12 annual fee for the absolute best-looking, smoothest interface, especially for the EPG and recording, then you probably want TiviMate Premium.
Exactly. And finally, OTT Navigator. Only pick that one if you are genuinely a power user. If you enjoy the process of deep customization, endless filtering, tweaking every little setting, if that's part of the fun for you, then OTT Navigator is your playground.
Which brings up a final thought, doesn't it? With all these choices, especially something like OTT Navigator, does that constant pursuit of the perfect customized setup sometimes get in the way of just, watching TV? Or is digging into those settings and tweaking actually part of the entertainment for some people? Something for you to think about next time you're scrolling through that program guide.
Indeed. A good question to ponder.
Until next time on The Deep Dive.